Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another data entry non-phone job lead. This one is true data entry in the healthcare field. It is not one of those billing representative insurance things. It is true data entry. But before we dive in, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available and bringing them to you on a daily basis. And I also always encourage you to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for, because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. But with that being said, the healthcare company ExamWorks is hiring a data entry associate. Now it says U.S. any town, so they do not seem to have any state restrictions. And it says ExamWorks is growing at a rapid pace, and they're looking for detail-oriented candidates to join their team as a remote work-from-home data entry associate. This position is full-time, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 p.m. And the essential duties for this position is you would gather, organize, and prepare source documents for data entry into the appropriate system database. You'll review data for discrepancies, missing pages of information, and resolve those discrepancies by using standard procedures of returning incomplete documents to the team leader for resolution. You'll enter both alphabetic and numeric data from those source documents into the proper system database. You'll review data entered against the original source to make sure that it is accurate and correct from any errors. You'll follow data program security practices, because with healthcare there is HIPAA guidelines. And you'll perform any other various clerical duties such as sorting, filing, emailing, and proofreading. Now, the good thing about this position is that they do not require very much experience at all to get started. They do require a high school diploma or equivalent, but no college degree. They only require a minimum of 6 months of related experience or equivalent combination of training and experience. They prefer medical office experience, but that is not required. So it just says a minimum of 6 months related experience. So that could be like office related experience, data entry, customer service, anything where you really had to maybe take notes. But other than that, they are looking for someone who has a general knowledge of how office stuff works: computers, faxes, scanners, copiers. They want someone who is knowledgeable with software programs like Microsoft Word, Outlook, which is the email program, Excel, and the internet in basics. Someone who can understand and follow HIPAA regulations and guidelines. Someone who can at least type 40 words per minute. Someone who has the ability to follow instructions. You must be willing to work independently. You must be able to maintain confidentiality and prioritize your work. Now, it does say that they offer competitive benefits. However, they do not list their pay or benefits in the job description. You will have to ask that at the time of the interview. I do not work for these companies. I simply share what I find online. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.